Shalom Talmidim, Shemot To'ar Perek Aleph, Adjectives, Lesson 1. Overview. Adjectives are words that describe or modify a noun. For instance, we can describe a king in many ways. Perhaps we have Melech Tov, a good king. Or perhaps we have Melech Ra, a bad king. Or Melech Katan, a small king. Tov, Ra, and Katan all describe the king, and they're all adjectives, good, bad, or small. Hebrew adjectives will agree with the noun that they modify in gender and number, and therefore they will have 4 different forms, using the same endings as most nouns. The masculine singular will have no ending, as in tov. The masculine plural will have an im ending, tovim. The feminine singular will have kamotz he, tova, and the feminine plural, cholam vav tav, tovot. These are the endings that we learned with nouns as well, so this should not prove to be very difficult. The dictionary, or lexical form, of the adjective will be the masculine singular. So if you want to look an adjective up in the dictionary, for instance, if you see tovot and don't remember what it means, if it's an adjective, you'll have to look it up under tov, the masculine singular, which is the simplest or shortest form. Adjectives in Hebrew normally follow the noun they modify, not as in English, where they come before the noun usually. In Hebrew, adjectives follow the noun, and it's possible to string several adjectives together. Take this verse, for instance. El rachum v'chanun erech apayim v'rav chesed v'emet. Here we basically have 4 adjectives. Several of them are actually compound phrases. So we have a God merciful, ruchun, and compassionate, v'chanun, and then we have long-nosed, literally long of nose, which is an idiom in Hebrew for being patient. So erech apayim basically means patient, and abounding in steadfast love and faithfulness. Again, a compound phrase, v'rav chesed v'emet. So here we have 4 adjectives or adjective phrases, all modifying el, a God. It is also possible to modify adjectives with adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. They're sort of like the adjectives of adjectives, if you will. One of the most common adverbs is very, ma'od. It's usually placed after the adjective it modifies. So we have dever kaved ma'od, a very severe plague. Dever means plague. Kaved is an adjective meaning severe or difficult or heavy. In this case, severe. And ma'od, very or excessively, modifies kaved. So we have a plague, that is a severe plague, that is a very severe plague. In further videos, we will explore the vowel changes that will happen on many adjectives when they change their form from the masculine singular to forms with endings. Many of the same things that we saw with nouns, propretonic reduction, pretonic reduction, geminates, we'll also see them with adjectives. And we'll also look at the syntax of adjectives more fully in further videos. That is, how adjectives are used in sentences. Beseder?